So welcome back. Today I will be showing you how to execute an application using MASM32. So first we import our MASM32 RT, then we explicitly input the path wherein what application or what exe file that we want to execute. So in this case, I want to execute the calculator. Okay, so the calculator is in C Windows System 32 calc.exe, and we can confirm that by going to C Windows System 32, and here is calc.exe. Okay, so what we do is we push SW show normal so we can show the program normally, and then we push the offset of the path that we want to execute. Okay, so this should be the path of the exe file that you want to execute, and then we call WinExec. Okay, so WinExec will execute calc.exe. Okay, so let's try this out. Let's save project, control console build all. There's no errors. Let's go to our terminal and let's test.exe. Okay, so as you can see here, calculator was successfully executed. Okay, so this is how you execute using MASM32. Okay, so I hope to see you again next time.